In today's video, we will show you how to create your very own NFT collection using KleverScan. So let's jump right into it. First, make sure you have Klever extension installed and connected to KleverScan. Then click on the Show Wallet button to access all the features that you can use in your linked account. Now click on the Create Transaction option and you'll be taken to a page with all the options available for Klever chain transactions. Next, choose the Create Asset option. Select the NFT option by moving the toggle to NFT. Keep in mind that we are creating a collection of NFTs, not the NFT token itself. But don't worry, we'll of course cover how to create the NFT token and add it to your NFT collection in the next tutorial. Fill in the fields with the name of your NFT collection, the ticker, that is how it will be known to users, max supply, and a URI to the logo that will be used on KleverScan as its icon. Make sure to use a valid format for the URI accepted by the KleverScan. You can add URIs on creation time by clicking on the Add button as many times as you need to add your project's social media accounts, white paper links, website, and much more. We'll cover royalties in an upcoming tutorial since it's a major part of Klever Chain's NFT features and deserves full attention in and of itself. Check out all the properties available and choose the best setup for your specific NFT collection. You can also use the tooltip represented by a small question mark to help you understand each parameter even deeper. Once you're happy with everything, click on the Create Transaction button. A Klever extension window will pop up asking you to sign this transaction. Just a heads up, you'll need to pay 20,000 KLV to perform the Create Asset transaction and making your NFT collection come alive. Verify all the details, and if everything looks prime, click on the Sign button. Mazel tov! You've just created your very own NFT collection on Klever Chain using KleverScan. And we will show you how to add NFTs into that collection in our next video. You can of course see the transaction and access your recently created collection by clicking on the Asset ID field. It's really that easy. If you enjoyed this video, please do like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. We'd really love that.